What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Orca token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to log into our Coinbase account, and if you don't have an account yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, go to the search bar right on top and we need to search for the Orca token. So search for the Orca token, and once you have found it, then select it. Now the next step is to watch this price chart. Of course, we have also a current market price and of course the time frames we can select to see what this coin has done in the past. As you can see, there is also some information about this project, and if you scroll a little bit more down, then you will find the coin stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, all-time high, and of course the performance. Now, if we would like to buy this coin, then we need to scroll back up and go to the trading options right on top. There we have three options. We have a buy, sell and convert option. And on default, the one-time order is selected. This is a one-time order, so a single order for the current market price. But to buy this coin, of course, select the buy option. And after that, if you would like to buy these coins on a more often base, then you can set the recurring buy option. This will set up automatic purchases during a daily, weekly or monthly time frame, but for now we will select the one-time order. After that, fill the amount in which you want to spend on this order, let's say 1000 euros, and now you will see how much coins you will receive in return. The next step is to select our payment method. As you can see, if you click on it, you will open a list, and if your preferred payment method is not available in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Just follow the steps and the payment method will be added to this list, and after that you can select it. Now always double check the coin you have selected to buy, and after that review your order. Now the next step is basically a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. Because on every trade you make, there will be a transaction fee. But if you use the Coinbase One subscription, you won't pay any transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. You can try this out for 7 days for free, and after those 7 days you are paying up to 25 euros a month. And yeah, as you can see, on one order alone you are already profitable. So definitely try that out. And once you have decided to buy these coins, then you can click on the buy now option and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!